Join me as I take on the challenge of making 12 high-protein pancakes in one go. Can I pull it off? We've all been there, trying to make a healthy breakfast that's both delicious and filling, but ending up spending hours in the kitchen, slaving away over a hot stove. And let's be real, who has the time for that? We want a quick, easy, and nutritious breakfast that'll keep us going all morning. But the struggle is real, folks. Making multiple pancakes that are both healthy and delicious can be a real challenge. You either end up with a soggy, flavorless mess, or you're stuck with a batch of pancakes that are so dense, they'll weigh you down. And don't even get me started on the protein content. It's like, do I really have to add eggs, Greek yogurt, and protein powder to get a decent dose of protein? So what's the solution? Well, I've got a recipe that's going to change the game. With just a few simple ingredients, we're going to whip up a batch of 12 high-protein pancakes that are not only delicious, but also ridiculously easy to make. All right, let's get started. To make these protein-packed pancakes, we'll need some rolled oats, almond flour, protein powder, eggs, Greek yogurt, and a bit of honey. That's it. Simply combine all the ingredients in a bowl, mix until smooth, and voila, you've got your pancake batter. And here's a pro tip. To get the perfect pancake texture, make sure to not overmix the batter. You want it to be smooth, but still slightly lumpy. Now let's talk about the cooking process. Heat up a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat, and using a 1/4 cup measuring cup, scoop in the batter. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until bubbles appear on the surface and the edges start to dry. Then flip them over and cook for another minute until golden brown. And that's it. You'll be left with a stack of 12 perfectly cooked, high-protein pancakes. This is the moment of truth. Flipping that first pancake and seeing it turn out perfectly golden brown is just the best feeling. And the smell, oh man, the smell of freshly cooked pancakes wafting through the air. It's like a big hug in a pan. So let's recap. We've made 12 high-protein pancakes in one go, with minimal effort and maximum flavor. And the best part? This recipe is so easy to customize. Add your favorite fruits, nuts, or seeds to make it your own. Thanks for joining me on this pancake adventure, guys. If you give this recipe a try, be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more healthy meal ideas, be sure to check out my other recipe videos. Happy cooking!